Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 movies about pilots. Captain Marvel. The hero's first feature-length iteration that played like Amelia meets Tarzan did not meet the universal acclaim it could have. However, the Brie Larson-fronted Marvel flick still collected a well-earned loyal backing and is currently available to stream on Disney+. With a marketing campaign tailored to evoke shades of Top Gun, Larson plays a human displaced among aliens who assume the powers of those who discovered her. Throughout the film, she uncovers her past life as top pilot Carol Danvers, who ranked in many non-superpowered exploits before the mission gone awry that left her with a significant lapse in memory.
Very much about aviation.
The Aviator. Their first collaboration may have been 2002's Gangs of New York, but their follow-up was the first to begin with Leonardo DiCaprio bringing material to Martin Scorsese, and not the other way around. In the film taking place over several years, DiCaprio vowed as the obsessive, compulsive, eccentric filmmaker or aircraft operator. The film itself played a large part in setting the current standard for period encompassing production and costume design.
Genius. The deadline is now completely unrealistic. No, I want to wait for it, clear for takeoff.
Sully. Clint Eastwood, who very nearly played an older Bruce Wayne in a live-action Batman Beyond, and Tom Hanks collaborated on this incredible film about the miracle on the Hudson, as well as covering the event itself. Sully focuses on the internal investigation of the pilot to the immediate aftermath. Ultimately, Sully is remembered for the hero he was on the January morning in 2009. However, the film takes you through all the highs and lows.
Heads down, stay down!
There were 155.
Star Wars. Before becoming one of the biggest franchises in the world, Star Wars focuses on the journey of one pilot, Luke Skywalker, from Tatooine native to galaxy-saving, Death Star destroying fighter pilot. Plus, Luke's badass mentor Han Solo manned to Millennium Falcon aircraft to more acclaim in '77 than his original spin-off counterpart could in 2018.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my own.
The Spirit of St. Louis. While not one of Billy Wilder's most successful outings at the time of its release, the film plays better today than much modern cinema. In his quest to bring the West to Paris via aircraft, Lindbergh must build both the right plane and find a collection of backers to pull off the unimaginable. Stewart gives it his all with a cocktail blend of his wide-eyed younger self and the signature inner torment of his late-game Hitchcockian form. Airplane. Despite its spoof nature, the disaster lampooning Landmark surely is about a traumatized war pilot's quest to save the plane he is a passenger on from pending doom. Just don't call him Shirley. Star-studded and irrelevantly in tune with the tastes and the time of the film. The Zucker brothers and Jim Abrahams peaked with this outing, save for a new flashbacks. It takes place exclusively over the course of one flight that sees all its passengers who ate the fish for dinner going down left and right.
I'm an airline pilot.
Top Gun. Goose was Maverick's eyes and Maverick was the audience's lens into the high-stakes world of Tony Stark's steadily and ensembled beautifully soundtracked action romance. Those awaiting the release of its equally star-studded and Tom Cruise-fronted sequel, Top Gun Maverick, delayed due to coronavirus pandemic concerns, will see director Joseph Kosinski lend to the Top Gun universe a much-deserved IMAX glow-up. Originally slated for the summer, moviegoers must now wait until Christmas to harness their need for speed.
Finest pilots this program has ever produced.
Good morning, Trina.
Good morning.
Flight. Robert Zemeckis has never failed to thrill an audience, neither had Denzel Washington. A match made in heaven indeed. Though Washington's Whip Whittaker was intoxicated, he improbably crash-landed his engine-filled commercial airline, losing 6 passengers in the process. Despite saving countless others, the persistence of an investigation to find him at fault provides for a thrilling drama that does not waver in intensity even after the Act 1 contained flight in question.
I shoot you inside. This was an act of God. Those God would do this.